Symbolism is a movement in visual arts and literature that reached its heights during the final 2 decades of the 19th century. It is an idealistic type of art that was developed as a reaction to realism, impressionism, and materialism of the period. Symbolic art goes beyond reality to reveal messages and ideas that are hidden beyond what is seen as a visual image. It emphasizes on the images that are the reflection of the artist's inner world. It bypasses the boundaries of artistic conventions and standards. It reflects the mysticism and idealism that is usually associated with romantic art. Symbols are vital artistic expression during cultural transitions, such as what we are presently experiencing across the globe. Symbolic art serves us like emoji to express messages of inspiration and hope. They can help us to combine myth, magic, and history through definitive paintings that bring the art and consciousness of our times together. They open the door to new dimensions in understanding and appreciating artworks. They also illuminate the message of art, which is creativity and joy. Ever since I've been introducing the artworks of the masters of symbolic art on the internet, we have received many requests from the enthusiast viewers who have shown interest in learning to create symbolic paintings. This has prompted me to conduct a painting workshop to offer instructions and guidance in creating symbolic paintings. This hand-on painting course is to guide combining dreams with myth and magic through definitive artwork that blends painting and the consciousness of our time. Throughout these online sessions, participants will learn to develop and enhance their painting technique while practicing artistic freedom. The purpose of the workshop is to develop weekly paintings that inspire, fascinate, and unite the challenging knowledge of the era of AI with symbols and archetypes. The idea is to combine physical reality with inspiration in ways to expand creative vision and uplift the spirit. Weekly painting workshops are to provide nourishment for the soul from a casual art observer to an emerging painter. The workshop sessions are every Saturday from 8 to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. To learn more, you can log on to Rassouli.com.